Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 has received its first major update just 10 days after its launch in India. In the new update that's rolling out to the ZenFone Max Pro M1, Asus has introduced its face recognition feature, alongside improvements in battery, camera, fingerprint sensor, and gyroscope. It also brings the Android security patch for April 2018. The ZenFone Max Pro M1 was unveiled last week and goes up for pre-orders today, May 3rd, exclusively on Flipkart starting at Rs 10,999. It competes with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which recently received a price hike for the 4GB RAM variant. Compared to the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the ZenFone Max Pro M1 appears to have got an upper hand in terms of speed of updates, apart from pricing. Asus says the first update for end users will be 125 MB in size. Asus has provided the full changelog that reveals all the features and fixes that the latest update brings to the smartphone. As mentioned, the key highlight of the new update is the face recognition feature, meant to unlock the smartphone. Apart from that, the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 gets improvements on gyroscope functionality, audio parameters, and more. The response speed of the fingerprint sensor is also said to have been improved. Additionally, the update brings optimization in the front as well as rear cameras such as color correction, HDR algorithm, low light photography, and more. Notably, the Zen UI will now change to ZenFone on the system update screen. The latest update to Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 also brings battery optimization during standby. Finally, the April 2018 Android security patch for the smartphone is also bundled in the update. Asus has said that it is continuously improving camera performance and features as well as battery life and overall performance improvements and optimization. As the latest update will be rolled out via OTA, the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 will get the download notification in a few days. Our review unit has received the update. Alternatively, you can look for a manual update by going to Settings System Updates. Users are recommended to factory reset their devices before installing the update. The company added it is working towards further improving camera performance and features, as well as battery life, performance, and optimization. To recall the specifications, the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 is a dual SIM, nano, smartphone that runs a pure version of Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It will also get Android P and Android Q updates. The handset features a 5.99-inch Full HD+, 1080x2160 pixels, IPS full view display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC, coupled with an Adreno 509 GPU. Asus has announced 3 variants of the ZenFone Max Pro M1 for India: 3GB RAM, 4GB RAM, and 6GB RAM. In terms of optics, the ZenFone Max Pro M1 sports a dual camera setup at the back with a 13-megapixel primary OmniVision sensor, f/2.2 aperture, and a 5-megapixel secondary depth sensing sensor. On the front there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f/2.0 aperture, an 85.5-degree wide-angle lens, and a 5P lens. Both the rear and front camera get soft light LED flash. It has up to 64GB inbuilt storage, expandable via micro SD card, up to 2 TB. And it is fueled by a 5000 mAh battery, and comes with a bundled 10W charger. The connectivity options in the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 are 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11a/b/g/n with Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 4.2, with aptX, GPS/AGPS, BDS, GLONASS, micro USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board the handset include face unlock sensor, fingerprint sensor, and the likes. Dimensions are 159x76x 8.61 mm and weight is 180 grams.